Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Highlander battery. Before starting, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly set. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a wire brush. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, find the negative terminal, which typically has a black cable and a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, locate the positive terminal with its red cable and plus sign. Loosen and remove this cable, making sure it doesn't touch any metal parts of the car. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully lift out the old battery. It can weigh around 40 pounds. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals using your wire brush to ensure good contact. Now, gently place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Connect the positive cable to the new battery's positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. To complete the installation, connect the negative cable to the new battery's negative terminal and tighten it securely. Double-check that both positive and negative terminals are firmly fastened and free from any corrosion. Applying a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease will help protect the terminals. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your old battery at an authorized recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service for free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.